All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about more stupid customer stuff. All right, so I got to tell this story. So, in case you haven't noticed, I'm in Georgia, and we just got hit with another snowstorm. And in case you guys were wondering, people in Georgia can't drive in snow. And, obviously we got some wrecked cars in. A couple we sent to the body shop, just too much body damage. We had one in that it was a 2017 car. To protect the innocent, I'm not going to get much more detail than that. But city was shut down for a day. We were open but couldn't get parts. And I didn't want to tie up a bay, so we did a preliminary estimate in the parking lot. Basically, I went out there, looked over stuff, and go, oh, well, this is broke, so we're going to need this, maybe this, maybe this, maybe this, maybe this. Just to give her an idea about how bad it was. She broke the mounting point for the tie rod end off the spindle. But she just hit, curb real light. Okay, it is what it is, and we're going, the front office is going, you need to contact your insurance company, this is going to be pretty expensive, here's what we've got so far, we need to get it in the shop, get it, looked at, get an idea of, everything we're going to need. Well, the estimate's about $4,000. According to her, it should be $2,000, even though she has no idea what's broke. And, she keeps arguing with us about whether or not, she needs a firm estimate before she'll contact her insurance company. You feel like going, what commercial was it? I'm sure they'll tell me in the comments. That's not how it works. That's how none of this works. You have a wrecked car, you contact your insurance company, they come in and tell us what they're going to pay us for those repairs. So it was like, what? She wouldn't call her insurance company. I mean, it's a very late model car. It's 2017, so got to have insurance on it. She doesn't want to pay out of pocket, but doesn't want to get the insurance company involved until she has a firm price. It's like, it's like, it's not how it works. That's not how any of this works. The insurance company sends an adjuster. They tell us what they're going to pay us to do this. We decide at that point whether it's worth us for doing it. And so we said bye-bye to her. She's getting hauled out of here. As the saying goes, you can't fix stupid. Well, you can, but it's kind of illegal. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Maybe you're that customer that hit a curb. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.